Hey, Sara Dietschy, Rhymes with Peachy here, back for episode 3. So today we are talking about how you can maximize your sleep data to get the best sleep of your life. Sleepnumber's Sleep IQ app offers personal insights into your sleep, including average heart rate, your heart rate variability, and even your natural sleep-wake cycles. So you can determine when your body tends to naturally wake up. Now that I'm keeping track of my sleep, I feel more motivated than ever to actually get good sleep. I want to show you the beginning of our journey. So this is the first week that we use the Sleep IQ app. And as you can see, our sleep scores are actually pretty good, okay? So this is mine, 82, 80, 91, 88, 86, 81, so it's out of 100. Okay, so we'll go over into the week view. And as you can tell, I feel like I had a pretty good start. We have the average sleep IQ score of 85, my best score was 91, and my average time in bed was 8 hours and 33 minutes. If you know me, if you've watched my YouTube videos, I'm someone who stays up very late at night, editing videos. My sleep schedule is honestly never consistent, and the fact that the average time in bed was 8 hours is actually a huge accomplishment for me. I feel very accomplished. So as I just mentioned, well, my day job is being a tech YouTuber, and I have been genuinely surprised with how much tech is actually packed into a Sleep Number mattress. There is so much to explore within the Sleep IQ app, so I want to make sure you know how to navigate it and learn from all of the cool sleep insights, because this is just part of the equation. This app, well, is another part of the equation. We've already talked about how your Sleep Number setting here at the top controls the firmness of the mattress. And right below here, we have the Flex Fit base. This is how you control the different positions. So each side of the mattress is totally customizable. So we're going to go to John's side, and we're actually going to adjust the head. So here we go. Magic. And if we want to get fancy, what if we want to raise the feet a little bit? Okay, so if we continue scrolling on the main page, you can toggle these settings like responsive air, the temperature of your mattress if you get the Climate 360 smart bed like ours. And also under bed lighting. So lights will turn on if you get up and go use the restroom in the middle of the night, which is pretty cool. Now, if we go over to the sleep tab on the left, now this is where all the magic happens. This is where you receive a Sleep IQ score every morning after you sleep. This is on a scale from 0 to 100, with 100 being the best. The score factors in all of your data. The sleep session summary gives you how much time it took to fall asleep, if and when you left your bed, and how many hours of restful and restless sleep you got. I'm getting good restful sleep. Doesn't take a while for me to fall asleep, but it takes baby steps because, as you can tell, I'm still getting to bed around 2 a.m., okay? It's hard to kick all the bad habits, but this is really helpful for me to see and to keep track of it, because that will just be my final arc to become the best sleeper in the world. Like my husband is. He goes to bed every night at 11 p.m. And reminder, no matter which Sleep Number smart bed you choose, you will have access to all of this data. Okay, so if we go below my sleep session, right below are your scores from the entire week, even with more insights. This is a visual way to see if you're consistently getting 7 to 8 hours of sleep via duration with a blue dot, efficiency with a green dot. Now, this is showing if you got enough restful sleep, and the yellow dot indicates timing. Are you going to bed and waking up at similar times every single night? As you can tell, I have no yellow dots. We're all a work in progress, okay? Timing is probably the hardest one for me to hit, because once I get in a creative flow at night, then I am full sending. Continuing down the app, we have the biometrics. So this is where you can see your heart rate variability, and your breath rate. I don't like wearing much jewelry, so I've never been able to connect that much with smartwatches. So for me, it's always been a hassle to keep it charged, keep it on my wrist while doing computer work. And so all of this tracking being built into the bed means that I don't even have to think about it. So I'm a fan. I like this a lot. So this data has actually been really huge for me. It's actually enlightening to learn about the good habits, but also the bad habits around my sleep. So I try to get a little better each day, and it's really encouraging to zoom out after a week of sleep to see how those good habits can gain momentum. If you want more tips on your sleep, fear not, because Sleep Number does a really great job giving you tips throughout the entire Sleep IQ app. I hope my initial explainer gets you pumped to get your new Sleep Number smart bed and learn more about your own sleep. I found that prioritizing your sleep first helps you then prioritize your health when you actually wake up. You know, better sleep leads to better days. Whew, okay, so we covered a lot in this episode. If you haven't seen episode 1 and 2, it'll be in the description below. And you'll wanna make sure to join for our next episode where John is gonna join. We're gonna hop on the Climate 360 bed and answer some fun sleep questions. All right, nothing left to do but say goodbye. Stay peachy. All right, see you in the next one. Bye.